Hello everyone, welcome to today's lecture. In this lecture, we will break down the differences between the println, printf, and print statements, and we will also see the different use cases of the each statements. Yeah, let's start with the println. Yeah, you can see that this is a basic statement of the println statements. Yeah, this is automatically print a new line character after the each execution of the each statements and print line by line. So we'll see in the code editor here. If you can see, I will be demonstrating about the println here. So if I will be print like hello, it will print hello, right? I think it's already known to us. Yeah, it will be printing hello. So if I will print the hello statement after this in the next line again, you can see it will be printing the into the second line, right? So the cursor is went to the second line after printing the first line. So it's automatically adding a new line character after the execution of the first statement here, right? After this, it is automatically adding this new line character here, and you can print any number of lines. It will be automatically going. The cursor is automatically going into this next line. If I will print something like hi, you can see we will be getting in all this in the different lines. Hello, hello, I write. Yeah, this is the and you cannot add more than one argument here. Let's say if I want to add something and hi here, you can see that it's not allowed to add more than one argument, so it will only taking a single argument. So I can concatenate the arguments here, so it will be considered as a single argument, right? So what I can do is I can write hi here, so it will be printing something like hello hi, right? And you can concatenate any number of words or characters here. So yeah, you cannot have more than one argument. Let's see if I will be having two elements like two numbers into b is equal to 6 here. What I can do is I can print both. I want to print the both numbers. You can see it's not allowed to take the both arguments at a single time. So yeah, what I can do is that I will be print a plus I will be give space again, I will be print b. So this is the way to use a println to print the two things or concatenating more than two elements, right? So if you can see that, I will be commenting it out. Yeah, 5 and 6. Let's say if I want also print the result of the both the characters. Let's say that is a plus b, right? So you can see I will be getting the 5 plus 11, right? So the sum of the a and b is 11. Yeah, this is the way to use of the println statements after the every character. Let's do some demonstration using the loops here. So what I'm doing is I will be running a loop from the 0 to I is less than 5 I plus plus. Every time I will be printing some, yeah, I will be printing that I. You can see here that each time it will be like, you can see after first time execution of the this statement, it will be automatically going, the cursor is moving to the next line, right? So it will be automatically adding a new line character after this. Yeah, this is all about the println. Let's see the printf statements. Yeah, so this is an, yeah, this is a basic statement to use of the print statement. So these things remain same. So you need to change here printf here. Does not add new line unless explicitly given in the format string. Let's say I will be, let's say this is a printf statement, this is a printf statement. So the both statements are printed in the single line. So it will, after executing of this statement, it will not adding any new line character until we will add into this. So after this, after execution of this, again this next complete statement is coming here. You can see I will be showing in the code area. Let's say let's say if I want to print something like hello, yeah, I want to use here printf, and next line I want to print, I want to use same printf here. So I want to print something high, right? So you can see that the both these words are coming in the same line. So it will not adding any new line character after the printing of the first statement. So if I will be adding something like slash n, it will be definitely going into the next line, because this is the new line character which I am adding to move the my cursor to the next line. So we will find the hello in this one line and hi is in the next line. So we are explicitly adding new line character here. In the println we are not adding anything. So it is automatically taking a new line character. Yeah, this is so so if I am not using the println here, so you can see that the both the words are appeared in the single line here. So you can use any number of statements here, like I am writing something like yeah, Ram. So you can see the three words should be definitely come in the single line. So the printf statements can take the multiple arguments. Let's say I want to print something a here. So before that I just want to tell you one thing that so does not add any. Yeah, this is done. So allow formatted output string using format specifier, right? So like in C language, in this Java, the printf is providing the facility to use the format specifiers. Like if I want to print something integers, strings, characters, float numbers. So if you can use the format specifiers, and you can use the printf statements. Let's see if I want to print so if I want to print something like integer, right? So we will using format specifier percentage d for the integer. So I want to print a. I'm just commenting it out. I will be getting 5, right? You can see. So the output is 5 because so it is specifying that that is an integer. Let's say if I will keep here f, right? Let's see. Yeah, it's giving error because we have specified that the argument which you are providing here a, it is an float number, but you can see that it is an integer declared as integer. So let's say if I will be change it as float. Yeah, let's see. So I'm specifying that it is a float number. You can see, yeah, it's giving the right output, right? Let's say I'm having some character here, char ch is equal to something a, and I will be giving the here ch, and it is percentage c, right? So you can see the output is a. So we are providing some specifier to identify that data type of the variable. Let's see. We can also have multiples. We can also have multiple format specifier in the single printf statement. Let's say if I want to add the a and b here, we can. Let's say if I am having int a is equal to 5, int b is equal to 6. So if I want to add the two numbers, sum of a and let's say a should be percentage d and a percentage b. So yeah, it's something like it indicating a sum of a and b. Let's write something a sum of a and b is a plus b. Yeah, it's allowed, but as you can see that in println it's not allowed. Like it's not allowed the multiple arguments in the println. So here we can have a number of arguments. Let's run it. You can see that sum of a and b is 11, right? Yeah, sorry. So yeah, we are forgot to specify the format specifier here, because a plus b is something like 11, which is the integer. So we need to specify the format specifier here. You can see sum of a and b is 11. Let's say if I want to print the actual value of a, so I can do what I can do is simply write percentage d here, and yeah, I'm writing percentage d here. I will be providing equal to here. So provide the all the arguments in the sequence. Let's say, so what is the percentage d here? Provide a here. Sorry. So you can provide a here. So what is the next argument here? Percentage d. What it is indicating? It is b, right? So I will be providing b here. Next, what is it is? Yeah, this percentage d is something yeah, it's addition of the two elements a plus b. So we need to provide all the arguments after the in the statement to print here. So so they will be execute taking the arguments are taken in the sequence. So this will take this value a value, this format specified take this value. Yeah, it will go on, you can see. So sum of 5 and 6 or 11. So we can do this very simple using the printf statement. So in println it's something somewhat complicated and it's not more readable in the println, right? Yeah. The another thing is that we can do something like, let's say, float f is equal to 3.4, right? So what I want to do is I want to print that particular number up to the two decimals. So it's very simple in the printf statements. What you can do is that I think you may know about the C language. So we'll do something like percentage dot 2f comma. So yeah, this is indicating the format specifier for the float numbers, but it's we are doing adding some arguments here like 2. It means that the number is printed up to the two decimals, that is f. Yeah, let's print it out. I think it should give the 3.40 as the, yeah, it's giving right. So this is a simple way to print the any float number up to the some decimal points. So if you can use the println, you can do the same thing, but it's little complicated. Yeah, I can, what I can do is I need to change this float number into the string, and after that I can change into the I can print in the print to the particular decimals. Let's say I need to change the into the string, and I need to use the some format method here. So after that I need to specify something percentage dot up to the two decimals, and I can provide the variable here. So it will also do the same thing, but it's little complicated compared to the printf, right? So yeah, it's doing same thing, and we have changed the float number into the string. So that is also not a more, yeah. Let's see. Yeah, we are done with the printf. So printf will take multiple arguments, right? And println take only single argument. We can concatenate multiple arguments, so that's allowed. Let's see about the print statements. Yeah, print. Yeah, this is the same thing that we are simply changing the some letters here, and does not add new line after the printing. It's behaving same as like printf statements, print in line without line break. So it is there is a minor difference between the print and printf statements. Let's demonstrate the print statement in the code editor. So what I can do is I will simply commenting it out. Yeah, you can see that I will be using print here. So let's see how it is behaving. Yeah, so let's see how does it giving the new line or not. So you can see that it will be printing in the same line, right? So the cursor is not moving to the next line. Or you can, I think we may add something new line character explicitly here to get the new line. So let's run it. Yeah, we can add the new line character explicitly like some in as we did in the println. So but it is not providing any format specifiers for explicitly. So as the printf doing. Yeah, this is all about the print statements. There is small minor differences between the all these statements. So you can observe clearly that using these statements. So thank you everyone.